Wakey, wakey, sleepy head. Grab your phone, get out of bed. It's time for Ashmonday Rambles.
Well, good morning, monsters. It's Miss Ashmon, and we've saved the best for last. The best chicken, David Peckham, and the best outfit. David, you go off. So, please note that this beautiful dress is vintage and it is agriculturally themed. So, anyway, this week, it's our final week, and I saved one of my most favorite animal science topics for our very last time. Animal behavior, also known as ethology. But before I get too excited and just start jumping into all this stuff, we have to go to the Pooch Report.
I just want to say, I think you should be really proud of the amazing content that you've produced over the last 10 weeks. Been brilliant. And I don't mean your YouTube video, I mean your poos. Ha ha, they've been next level. Smell great. Ha ha ha. Thanks.
Wow. Aw, that's so sweet. Thank you, Meg. Aw. So, back to animal behavior. So, animal behavior is complex and fascinating, and it's very in-depth. And if you take my advanced animal science class in the future, we're going to spend like a month on this topic. But for now, simplicity. So, I don't know about you, but I don't like to be startled. I could never go on the Ellen show. She might invite me, I'm going to say no. Why? Because she likes to startle people, and I don't like to be startled. It makes me jump. As a matter of fact, it makes almost everybody jump. Jumping when you're startled is something called innate behavior. It's something that you do because it's in your brain. That's what innate behavior means. It means of the mind. Babies talk and vocalize. They don't know words yet, but just the vocalization, that's innate behavior. Baby birds, they know to cry for food as soon as they hatch out of the egg. Nobody taught them that. They just do. And that's innate behavior. Another type of behavior is learned behavior. So babies might chat and coo when they're little, but eventually they're going to speak. And they're going to speak language, human language. Now, that's not innate. They weren't born with that. They learned it. Just like babies kind of move around and dance, because all animals move around and kind of have a jig, but learning to dance well, that's learned behavior. One of the most interesting types of learned behavior is called operant conditioning. Operant conditioning leads me to one of the weirdest stories of my life. So, picture the scene. I'm traveling cross country, and where do I end up? Reptile world, like in the middle of nowhere. So, what do I see when I'm there? Chickens playing basketball. So, picture some chickens. They've created a small cloth basketball and a little poultry-sized basket. And somebody has taken the time and effort to train these chickens to take that cloth basketball and put it in the basket. Now, why would a chicken do this? Well, because every time they did it correctly, they got a mealworm. So, when I went to Reptile World, I was able to go in, put a $5 bill in the thing, the curtain opens, and there are chickens frantically running around looking for pretend hacky sack basketballs and putting them in the hoop. And then they get their worms and they're happy. It was super weird. I'm not sure if it was very ethical, but it's operant behavior. Operant behavior is also how we train our dogs to do all the things that we want them to do. Like Meg can ring the doorbell when she wants to go out. We taught her that. She's a border collie. She's really, really smart. But animals do this all the time. Teachers do it with students. We train you to do certain things like line up against the wall when it's lunchtime. All of these types of learned behaviors are called operant. It means you were trained to do so. So that's pretty cool. Okay, guys, I really hope that you enjoy our topic for our final week. Also, on the Monday email that I send out, I sent a film list of movies that I think you might benefit from if you want to be a veterinarian or an animal trainer. Just check in with your family before you jump right in, because some of them are rated R and some of them are kind of sad. But I think that they're worth watching in the long run. So whenever you're ready. It's about to be summertime. So I just want to tell you how much I appreciate you sticking with me through this whole online learning thing. I love you guys so much. And if you need me, I'm just an email away. So until I see you in the fall, stay safe, stay professional, and go and make the world a better place, please. I love you guys.
So ultimately, we buried him in the woods, along with all of the money, beneath the big oak tree. Over. Hello, Mortimer Braithwaite here. Congratulations on making it to the end of the video. Very well done. And this is our last time together. Now, I have a joke for you, and inspired by David Peckham and the Miss Ashmon stories. So do bear with me. First of all, what do you call a hen with a piece of lettuce in its eye? Chicken Caesar salad. Very amusing. But bit of a treat. I have a second joke for you. Why did the chicken cross the basketball court? Because the referee called foul. It's topical and amusing. Well, thank you for joining me, as I say, and do all have a wonderful summer. And just remember, if ever you see a chicken crossing the road, simply poultry in motion. Bye-bye. I'm never going to get this book finished at this rate. Oh, I've lost my place. I have to probably start all over again.